Assalamu alaikum class 5. I hope you are doing great class. So today is 19th of April 2021 and the day is Monday. Fine. So in yesterday's lesson we studied about the concept of subtraction of numbers which goes up to million. Isn't class? Huzefa? Very good. So I have an example. Four space 875 space 648. This is my first number and my second number is 1 space 232 space 537. Fine. My first number which is 4 space 875 space 648 and my second number which is 1 space 232 space 537. Fine class? Okay. Now I am going to start from the right side because all you know whenever we have to solve a subtraction addition we will start from this right side. I have first number which is in upper is 8. Fine. And I want to subtract 7 from 8. Now I am going to write 8 lines for upper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And I want to subtract 7 from this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left class? Alishba? Very good. 1. Fine. So my next number which is 4 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to subtract 3 from this. Isn't? 1, 2, 3. How many are left? Very good. 1. Now for next number which is 6 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I am going to subtract 5 from this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 subtract हो गए तो how many are left? Very good. 1. 6 minus 5 which is equal to 1. Fine. Now next number which is, if you look class, this is ones. This belongs to thousands and this belongs to millions. Fine. So ones वाला जो कॉलम है वो क्या हो गया? Done हो गया. Now if you look, there is a space between 875 and 648. So it's mean we are moving towards next unit which belongs to thousands. Fine. Now my first number of thousands from the right side is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want to subtract 2 from 5. Isn't class? Yes, Alvina? Very good. So how many are left class? 3. I have 3 in total. Fine. Now the next number which is 7 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in total. And I want to subtract 3 from 7. So I will cut 3 and next which is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to subtract 1 from 4. Isn't class? Okay. Now I am going to subtract 1, and in the end, as you look, I have 3 in total. Fine. Now we can read this number as, which is in total 43,111. Fine. So this is how we can solve subtraction of numbers which goes up to millions. Fine. Today we have a topic is like subtraction of numbers, but now we are going to solve question number 9. But in this question I have question number 9, and the statement is write vertically and solve. Okay, A part 85 space 231 space 569 minus 16 space 829 space 293. So class, this is the horizontal way. The question is in horizontal way. So first of all, according to statement, we have to write into vertical form. हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले इसको हम vertical form में लिखते हैं. 85 space 231 space 569. Okay, this is my first number, and my second number is 16 space 829 space 293. Fine. My first number is 85 space 231 space 569, and my second number is 16 space 829 space 293. Now, as you know, whenever we have a subtraction and addition of numbers, we will always start it from the right side. Isn't class? तो हम कहाँ से हमेशा शुरू करते हैं? Right side से. So 9 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 in upper and I want to subtract 3 from it. ठीक है? अब मैंने इसमें से कितने कट करने हैं? 3. So how many are left class? Yes, Muhammad, you tell me. Very good. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. Fine. Now moving to the next, which is 6 minus 9. So class, is it possible to subtract 6 minus 9? हम क्या छोटे में से बड़े को subtract कर सकते हैं? No. So that's why we will take carry from this number, which is 5 in total. Now I am going to take carry from this number, and this number will become 16, which is in 2-digit number, and this number remains 4. Fine. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 16 in total. and I want to subtract 9 from this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So जब मैंने 16 में से 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट किए हैं तो I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I have 7 in total. Fine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. जब मैंने 16 में से 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट किए तो I have 7 in total. Fine. So the next number which is 4. 4 minus 2. 1 2 3 4. Subtract कितने करने हैं हमने? 2. So I will cut 2 lines and how many are left class? Yes Umar? Very good. 2 in total. Fine. Now the next number which is 1 minus 9. So class, is it possible to subtract smaller from greater? क्या हम छोटे में से बड़े को subtract कर सकते हैं? No. So that's why we will first take carry from the number which is 3 and this number will become 11, 2 digit number, and this will become 2. ये क्या बन जाएगा? 2 बन जाएगा और ये क्या बन जाएगा? 11. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 है और 11 में से हमने क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 मैंने कट कर दिए. So how many are left class? 2. How many are left class? 2. Okay. So if you look the very next number which is 2. हमने इससे कैरी लिया था और यहाँ पे क्या बचा था? 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Fine. Okay. The very next number we are moving towards next number which is 2 minus 8. We can read this 2 minus 8. So is it possible to subtract 2 minus 8? No. So that's why we will take carry from this. जब हम यहाँ से carry लेंगे तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? Oh, अगर आप देखो the very next number which is 2. ये बन गया 13. Oh sorry. ये तो 2 minus 2 था 0. Now ये क्या बन गया? 12. और ये क्या रह जाएगा हमारे पास? 4. Fine. So 12 minus 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 in total and I want to subtract 8 from it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 मैंने subtract कर दिए हैं. In total class I have 4. Fine. Now moving towards next which is 4 minus 6. Is it possible to subtract 4 minus 6 class? No. हम नहीं कर सकते हैं because it is smaller. 4 is smaller. So that's why we will take carry from the next number which is 18 total. अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा? ये बन जाएगा 14 and this will 7 as left. Fine. Now this is 2 digit in total and I want to subtract 6 from it which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 14 in total and I want to subtract 6 from it. What would I do? I will cut 6 lines from 14 to get the answer, isn't? Fatma, isn't? Very good. 4 5 6 मैंने कट कर दी है and in the end I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Fine. Now the next number which is 7 minus 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 5 6 7. 1 subtract करना है. How many are left? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 are left. So this is how we can solve subtraction of numbers which goes up to million. ये clear हो गया सबको? Now I am going to read and write the number which is in total. Just listen to me very carefully. As you know, whenever we will start from the right side, the first unit belongs to ones. So there is a space which indicates this number belongs to, which is 3 digit in total, so thousands. And the next number which belongs to million. Fine. Now, so if you look the place value of this, so ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. Okay. Now I am going to write 68 is at million place. 68 million 400 2,000 276. Okay, this is how we can read and write subtraction of numbers. So if we have a statement in which the question is write vertically and solve. So first of all, what would we do? We have to write the numbers into vertical form. अगर वो हमारे पास horizontal way में है तो हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले उसको vertical में लिखेंगे, then we can solve easily. Fine? Because horizontal में तो हम उसको solve नहीं ना कर सकते. Now, I will take another example. B 20 space 000 space 360 minus 38 space 745. So I have two numbers, so I will write first of all according to statement which is in vertical form. So 20 space 000 space 360. This is my first number and my second number is 38 space 745. 38 space 745. Fine? Okay. If you look class, now I am going to start from the right side because as you know, it is the condition of the question, subtraction, addition and any operation, you have to start from the right side. Now, 0 minus 5, is it possible? No. So we will take carry from the next number and now this number will become 2-digit number. So 10 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 number in total. So I want to subtract 5 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many are left? Very good. 5. The very next number. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या बचा था? 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 में से जब हम 1 को subtract 4 को subtract करते हैं, so we have 1. Now if you look class 3 minus 7, so is it possible? No. अगर आप देखो next number पे which is 000, ठीक है, हमारे पास क्या है 000 है. so अब इसमें से भी हम जो है नॉन जीरो, ये जीरोस हैं तो हम इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट 0 विच इज 2। अब वो 2 कहाँ पर है? 10 मिलियन प्लेस पे। अब वहां से लेंगे कैरी, यहाँ पे ये बन जाएगा 1, ये क्या बन जाएगा 10। जब अगेन कैरी लेंगे तो ये बन जाएगा 10, यहाँ पे क्या बचा 9। अब यहाँ से अगेन हमने कैरी लिया इस नंबर पे तो ये बन गया 9, और फिर अगेन कैरी लिया तो ये बन गया 9। अब फिर क्या करेंगे, अगेन कैरी लेंगे यहाँ पे तो ये क्या बन जाएगा 9 इन टोटल। सो दिस नंबर इज 13 minus 7। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13। I have 13 in total and I want to subtract 7 from it। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 मैंने इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करने थे। हाउ मेनी आर लेफ्ट क्लास? 1 2 3 4 5 6 in total। Fine? Okay, now the next number which is 9 minus 8। As you know 9 minus 8 is 1। Very good। Now the next number which is 9 minus 3। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। 9 nines है and I want to subtract 3 from it। 1 2 3 4 5। और कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इसमें से? 3। 1 2 3, बाकी जो है एज इट इज आ जाएगा। 1 2 3 4 5 6। Fine? Okay. If you look, this is a 9 in total, and if you look there is no digit below 9, so I will write 9 as it is। Fine? And this 9 will also be as it is, and 1 as it is। So this is how we can solve numbers which was subtraction of numbers which was up to million। Fine? So in total I have class 19 space 961 space 615। Now I am going to read this as 19 million 961,615। Fine? So this is how we can solve subtraction of numbers which goes up to million। So this is all you have to do question number 9 on your notebook, all parts। If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me। Thank you। Allah Hafiz।